Ho, ho, ho! What do we have here?
I think it's time to go to the office.
I'm taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take the noose off. You cannot save me.
Walking Duncan, walking the edge.
Thanks. Here we go.
He had tipsters all over town.
Well, PCE frame junk. When's the last time you saw one of these bad boys? Hello. Oh yeah, baby, this might work. Alright, let's try this. So what do we got here? What do we got? HP, i5. Alright, see what we got. Parallel port, you don't see those too often. We got memory. It's like no hard drive. Well. What do you have? 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 Turning all this garbage off. I think it's time we benchmark this thing. All right. Alright, not bad at all. This machine would be great for any kind of general use, and it looks like the i5 processor can still pack a punch. The onboard graphics and slow hard drive do hold it back, however. Upgrading the storage, memory, and adding a dedicated video card could really make this machine shine. Either way, not bad at all for a free computer that was taken out of the trash. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.